Så jeg er på vej over til at møde en ven her til frokost. På en af de bedre sushi-restauranter her i Berkeley, vil jeg sige. På vej over for at møde Jeff, så jeg ham her, manden her, der stod og snakkede med sig selv på gaden. Han så sådan lidt trist ud, så jeg gik over og sludrede med ham. Can I ask you a couple of questions? Are you from Berkeley?
I live in it. I reside in it.
How long have you been living in Berkeley?
Good luck. Happy holidays.
Oh, okay. Thank you. My name is Kim.
Good luck, Kim.
What's your name?
My name is Benner Yeka.
Do you need any money?
Oh, yeah, I can do that. Can you spare anything?
I can probably spare you a little bit. Let me see if I have some ones here. I'm gonna go with a friend.
Oh, wow, thank you very much.
Well, thank you for your time. Okay.
Do you give a 10 or 20 or can I get 2?
I think 2 is probably
okay,
enough.
Thank you. Good luck.
Okay, take care. Hey, bye. Det er sgu hårdt med så mange hjemløse her i Berkeley og mange andre steder i USA. Så var det tid at have sushi med min ven Jeff, men først skulle han lige vise mig noget smart, han har lavet på sin cykel.
Electrical system on my bike. There's a 12 volt sealed lead acid battery in the back here.
Yeah.
And this solar panel recharges it in the sunlight. So that runs my side visibility system.
Side visibility system, is that what it's called?
Headlight. And the horn.
You're so creative. Man, my friend. Good sushi, huh?
Itadakimasu.
What?
Itadakimasu. That's
What
what
is-
we say before we eat.
Okay.
In Japan.
Thank you.